how to use Wise QR code. First, open the Wise app and log into the card tab. Then swipe left on your card image to find Pay with QR code or Pay like local. Next, step on Scan QR code to open the camera or import QR code if you have it saved in your photo gallery. Now, scan a supported QR code with your camera or choose an image containing the QR code. After that, follow the steps to confirm your payment. Once done, you can review the payment, and anytime under the transaction section in the Wise app, Wise generated QR codes are for payments between Wise users. Swiss QR bill is available for customers in Switzerland, while the Pay Now QR code works for users in Singapore or the Philippines. Hungarian QR code is for those with a HUF balance. For customers outside Singapore, Pay Now QR codes are only for business payments with limits of $1,000, Singapore for a transaction and $20,000, Singapore per calendar year for non-S users. Now you can use QR code easily for quick and secure payments. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.